Hi, this is to inform you I have upgraded 16 GB to 32 GB and my idea name is Lenovo L340 Gaming laptop. Let me show you how you can do that. Okay, to upgrade your BIOS system, you just have to go to your Lenovo Vantage and check your BIOS upgrade if it is there. If it is there, you just have to check over here. If you don't have this software, you can download from the Google. Just type the Lenovo Vantage and you will get the download thing. So this is the my laptop name, Ideapad L340 Gaming, and you can check over here your system updates. So it will check if any of the system updates are there, and you have to update before inserting the 32 GB RAM. I will give you the link in the description what type of exactly RAM I have put on my laptop. So this is done. If there is any updates, there is one Intel update, you have to just to select and install. You have to keep it up to date. Let me show you in the task manager. After I have upgraded my RAM, so opening in the laptop and inserting the RAM, you can check on the other videos. A lot of videos are available in the YouTube. So over here my memory now it is 32 GB. Before it was 16 GB. I will give you this link in the description. You can go and upgrade your lab and give life to your new softwares.